friends, and a very good evening. Today's talk is about how we can be a mindful leader. I'm going to share 5 important points on how to be a mindful leader, and this will lead to success. Success not only with regards to the business you're doing or with regards to the relationship, but overall success for your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. The 5 pointers which I'm going to talk is going to be really quick. The first one, keep your ego aside. Don't have your designation running in your head. Often we have seen people live as their designation is, which is not important. Designation is only a part of our life. It is not our life. It is good to roll up your sleeves and have coffee with your employees. That will create a beautiful bond between you and your employees. You will know them better, they will feel connected to you, and the productivity is going to increase. The next is always pay gratitude to your team, because nobody in this world has ever succeeded or ever had done something good or great just by themselves. There is always a team which is backing up, and that is how anybody for that matter is able to succeed. The third most important thing about what we need to be doing is keeping our ego aside. Listen, whenever there is a meeting, whenever there is a brainstorming, understand that everybody comes with their own intellect, with their own wisdom, with their own experiences, and they will definitely be able to contribute to the growth, the overall growth and the objective of the organization. So, keep your ego aside and listen. Communication is always a very good option, and communication means listening and then talking. The next is always seek feedback. Always ask for feedback for what decision has been taken or for what action has been taken in the past. This will open up the perspectives of understanding how things can be made better in future. And the most important point at the end, that is the 5th point, is always stay calm. A person who is calm will always be able to look at things from different perspectives, bring them together, and allow a whole new horizon to be opened up. There's going to be a lot of rotation, lot of benefits when a person follows these 5 important pointers. So friends, on this Mental Wellness Day, I somehow felt that I also need to give this advice to all the entrepreneurs, to all the business leaders, to all the people who are leading their teams, to have appropriate measures taken based on these 5 pillars. On that note, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can have such quick pointers, such quick strategies which will help make life better, professionally and personally. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.